Hey, this is Mark with Lifecycle Insights. Before we begin with what we are going to talk about today, make sure you have seen Step 1, Asset Type Policies. If you have not, close this video and make sure to find it. Also, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will be coming out with videos constantly, and you would benefit from getting notified. Today, I'm going to go over what Day 2 asset cleanup would look like. We'll be presenting quick and easy steps for you to be able to follow. In order to get the most out of Lifecycle Insights, you'll want to make sure that the data you're working with is complete and accurate. The following guide will help you identify and remediate common problems with data quality. In this video, I want to make sure to show you the value of cleaning up data quality. Asset mapping will give you an accurate report on the categories that are important to you and the replacement costs associated with your company. First, we will go to Integrations, select your primary integration, mine is Data Autotask, and go to Asset Mapping from the tabs in the upper center of your screen. From this screen, you'll want to map the asset types from your primary data source to the asset types in Lifecycle Insights. I can change mobile to other, servers to servers, or workstations to workstations. If an asset type, let's take domain product category, is informational only or has no replacement value to be accounted for in the budget, then it should probably be set to ignore. This option will keep these asset types from being displayed in Lifecycle Insights. If your PSA RMM combination identifies laptops separately from desktops, then navigate to Account Settings, Asset Type Policies, and click the green Add New button on the top right hand of the screen. Add an asset type for laptops and configure the asset type in accordance with your MSP's best practice recommendations. Then map the laptops to laptops in the asset mapping section. Congratulations, we have just completed Step 2 of our asset cleanup. The next step is Asset List. I'll see you there, and happy life cycling.